Hey guys, how's it going? This is Lettera 32. It's an Olivetti 1965, and I'm going to give you a quick rundown of some of the features it has and type sample. And so yeah, one of the first things that you probably notice is this red key, which is a tab key. And a lot of these ultra portables, they didn't have tabs back then. Most of the ultra portables are very limited in terms of options, and so this is kind of one of the cool things this has that a lot of other machines don't, and I'll show you how to use it during the type sample. Over here there's a lever, and let me see, over here, so you move it up to set a tab, and then you move it down to clear a tab. So there's no loud clicking. It's kind of a hard to describe feeling, but I'll show you how it works once I get going here. So the ribbon on this is kind of light. You will almost definitely need to buy a new one. The sample might even be pretty light too, but it's a universal ribbon, and this does have the original metal spools and also these tops. A ton of these for sale do not have these. In fact, most of them don't, and most of them have, you know, the generic plastic spool too. These are the original metal ones. Pretty cool. You buy a new ribbon, you can either put the plastic one in and just keep these, or I like to actually wind the ribbon onto the originals. But again, that's me. Totally up to you. So here's the type sample. And this does have variable line spacing up here. You can see the 1, 2, 3. That's for single spacing, double, or triple spacing. Right now I think I have it at single spacing. Again, another relatively uncommon feature among these ultra portables. And then I'll give you a mixture. Okay, now I'll show you numbers and symbols. Shift lock for the symbols. This thing is actually really smooth. Well, you know what? Before I show you the type sample, I just want to show you how the tab works. So again, I'm just going to set like 3 or 4 tabs. So I'll put one right here, up, up, 3, and 4, and then you can use, again, tab button to just tab. There's the first one. There's the second one. There's the third one. That was the fourth one. Fifth. I had a couple more set. And there's the end of the line. But so then when you want to get rid of them, you just go back to the first one. Down. 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 There's a bunch of other little ones. I'm gonna get rid of them. And then you can just tab across, they're all gone. So that's actually really convenient, especially if you're writing a screenplay or a play or anything. It's nice to be able to set, you know, action, dialogue, character. I usually set one for page number over here, but just a really nice feature. And I'll show you this type sample. So let me get it in focus here real quick. So yeah, kind of light, not bad. You need to get another ribbon, but while that one's arriving, this one will do. This one will, you know, you can write with this one still. But yeah, that's pretty much it. This one cosmetically is a pretty good condition. Sorry about that brightness change. Little, I don't know if that's like a paint smudge down here. I might be able to clean that off. A few little dings right here. But otherwise, this thing is, it's pretty clean. And again, fully functional. No sticky keys or anything like that. I'll show you how to set the margins. Really easy, just these two right here. This one, wherever you move it, that's where the bell's gonna go off. So right there, or if you move it back over here. And same thing for this one. This does have a flip-up paper support. Pretty cool. Forgot to use that while I was writing. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, feel free to let me know. Have a good one.